A proposal that could change the way your child's education is measured. Right now, the state of Florida uses a formula based on FCAT test grades and classroom performance to grade a school's performance, but a change could be just a school year away. Laura Harris is taking action for you this morning. She's live in the abcactionnews.com center with what parents need to know. Good morning, Laura.
And Dia, the easiest way I can put this, they're basically just trying to simplify the way schools are graded. I've pulled up a map here in the .com center. As you can see, it's kind of giving you a good way of looking at how the Bay Area has been performing. A through F system. The blue you see, those are A schools, green, B schools. C schools, yellow, concentrated in that Hillsborough County area. And I've been thumbing through the PowerPoint presentation we're expecting to hear later today. And hopefully it will explain how this new system will help. We're hearing this new proposal coming from Education Commissioner Pam Stewart is expected to be twofold. It will focus on the number of students proficient on state tests and students who need to improve from the previous year. Criteria that has already been there, but now will have a clearer definition. Schools would set performance level expectations immediately following the new standardized testing, once the FCAT is phased out after the school year. The commissioner says this will give an accurate depiction of student and school performance, not just using statistics from old expectations. The new proposal would eliminate the penalty that required grades drop if a certain percentage of struggling students didn't improve, and would get rid of provisions that gave middle and high schools extra points if their students took advanced placement classes, trying to even the playing field a little bit. And will also show percentages. Instead of just an A through F, we will actually see percentage of points earned, like on a test. For example, an A school would be graded from 90 to 100%, B 80 to 89%, and so on. Hillsborough County averaged a C last year. The current system has been in place since the FCAT started in 1999. And the new district grading system would be in effect for the 2014-2015 school year. On our website, abcactionnews.com, I've posted the entire PowerPoint presentation for that meeting today. You can also find it on our ABC Action News app. I've pulled it up on my iPad here. Scroll down to the bottom there, and you can just click on that link. The entire 14-page PowerPoint is there for you to view, because as parents, I'm sure you want to know what the state school board is proposing. Live at the .com wall, Laura Harris, ABC Action News.